Welcome, Salesforce enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the layers of Salesforce, demystifying its core concepts, and venturing into the realm of advanced features. Join us on this educational journey where we transition from abstracting databases to unleashing the full potential of the Salesforce platform. In Salesforce, we don't speak the traditional database language. Here, tables are referred to as objects, columns as fields, and rows as records. The beauty lies in the declarative power of Salesforce, allowing you to create these database tables effortlessly with just a few clicks on the platform. Let's dive into the magic of declarative database creation. No coding required. With point-and-click simplicity, you can mold your data model, creating custom objects that align with your unique business needs. It's about empowering you to shape your data environment without delving into complex coding structures. Creating custom objects is merely the beginning. Modern applications demand more, and Salesforce delivers. Here's what we explore next. Craft an intuitive interface to interact with records efficiently, enhancing the user experience. Seamlessly integrate with other systems and processes using robust APIs, ensuring your Salesforce ecosystem is well connected. Dive into the world of mobile applications, extending your reach and accessibility. Explore the built-in security features, safeguarding your data and ensuring compliance with industry standards. Delve into identity and authentication services, managing end users with precision and security. As we traverse the diverse landscape of Salesforce, you've gained insights into abstracting databases into objects, exploring declarative creation, and touching upon advanced features. The journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more as we master the intricacies of Salesforce, empowering you to craft dynamic and intelligent business solutions. Download and open the spreadsheet from the description below and save it as house.csv. In your Trailhead playground, click the Settings icon, then select Setup. Click the Object Manager tab. Click Create. Select Custom Object from Spreadsheet. Click Login with Salesforce. Enter your Trailhead playground username and password. You can find your username in the email you received when you reset your password. Click Login. Click Allow. Click Upload. Navigate to the house.csv file you downloaded and upload it. Salesforce automatically detects the fields and populates all its record data. Choose house name as the record name field and leave the other field mappings and settings as they are. Click Next and enter the following settings. Label house. Plural label houses. API name house. Click Finish. The house object is successfully created and data imported, all within minutes. In your Trailhead playground, click the Settings icon and then select Setup. In the Quick Find box, type App Manager, then select App Manager. Click New Lightning App. In the App Details and Branding window, enter these details. For app name, type Dreamhouse. For the image, open your image. Right-click the image, select Save Image As and name it dreamhouselogo.png. Then, in the App Details and Branding window, click Upload and select dreamhouselogo.png. Click Next. On the App Options screen, select Standard Navigation, then click Next. On the Utility Items screen, click Next. On the Navigation Items screen, select Home, Houses, Reports, and Dashboards from the available items list, and move them to the selected items list using the arrow. Then click Next. On the User Profiles screen, select System Administrator, add it to selected profiles, and then click Save and Finish. Now navigate to your new Dreamhouse application to see what it looks like so far. Click the 9-dotted icon, then search for and select Dreamhouse. VS Code in the activity bar, click the cloud icon. Locate the Custom Objects folder and expand it. Then select the HouseEC folder. Click the import icon to retrieve the org metadata for the HouseEC object. Notice that the XML files are under the Force App Togged Main Default Togged Objects folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.